Today introduce products. Skywalker X8 new. The new Skywalker Black X8 has got some upgrades from the Skywalker White. Due to the Skywalker X8 constantly upgrading, so can't ensure that every batch of products are exactly the same. But the upgraded version let you more look forward to. The plane will be subject to receive physical. Please kindly understand. With new winglet and new cabin cover fixation, the different fuselage bottom that easier to install the landing gear. This is the motor mount also has been changed from the wood to black plastic. Sometimes we have to take the glue away due to the glue can't be shipped by the air. So before you assemble the product, you should buy a glue first. Wingspan of the aircraft is 212 cm. Fuselage 79 cm. Cabin size 63 x 25 x 10 cm. The Skywalker X8 new arrival latest version. Skywalker FPV Flying Wing 2122 mm. RC plane empty frame to meters X. EPORC is far and away one of our most popular items.